Well, a federal judge is telling the Biden administration to limit how much contact it has with social media platforms. A lawsuit alleges the administration is encouraging these companies to censor right-wing content, but others say social media platforms are not doing enough to combat misinformation. WENY Washington correspondent Rachel Knapp joins us live from the U.S. Capitol with more on this evening. Rachel.
Good evening, Renata. So in granting this preliminary injunction, the judge essentially outlines what the administration can and cannot communicate to these social media platforms. Now, this ruling is seen as a huge win for some of these Republican-led states who allege that this administration is overreaching its authority. Now, this lawsuit was filed in May, but a federal judge in Louisiana ordered these restrictions on the Biden administration yesterday. According to the documents, the federal judge says the Biden administration cannot talk to social media companies for, quote, the purpose of urging, encouraging, pressuring, or inducing in any manner the removal, deletion, suppression, or reduction of content containing protected free speech, end quote. Now, the ruling goes on to say the administration can alert social media platforms about postings involving criminal activity or criminal conspiracies, national security threats, or other threats. Some worry that this ruling will hurt efforts trying to combat false information about the COVID pandemic and other issues. The New York Times says the order could have significant First Amendment implications, adding that this is a major development in a fierce legal fight over the boundaries and limits of speech online. In the initial court filing back in May, a handful of Republican-led states that filed the lawsuit says in part the administration has spent years to censor viewpoints and speakers disfavored by the left and content on social media platforms under the Orwellian guise of halting so-called disinformation. But Democrats have said that social media companies like YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, just to name a few, are not doing enough to curb misinformation. Now, although this lawsuit names the president and a handful of other government agencies, some of these sources that they cited in this lawsuit were from the Trump administration. Renata, back to you.